Vegan mozzarella cheese, vegan bacon, some tomatoes, some pickles, some crackers, and some vegan queso. Over here, my hubby, over here my hubby is actually using our video for to see how to make the kale soup, because he's making it again today. So check out our kale soup video, because I'm going to be having kale later on today as well. Over here, our oldest Mookie is
a mess in here.
is organizing our fridge. The fridge light just went out. This is the vegan mozzarella that we use. As you can see in the ingredients, organic coconut oil, organic cashews, organic tapioca, and sea salt. This is the vegan cashew queso that I am trying out this week. It is absolutely delicious. Again, really simple ingredients. As I said, my husband is here fixing up for my soup. And I'll check in with you guys at my next meal. Also, if you guys have seen Widows, yeah, let me know what you guys thought of Widows. I thought it was pretty great. Watching it for the second time. Yeah, so let me go get into that, eat my snack, and I will check in with you all in a little bit.
Alright, so here is the finished product of Soup for Chris. This is gonna be her lunch. Some air fried potatoes, and she's about to go in. Alright, so for dinner we are doing pizza, and we just got ourselves a rotating oven from Presto. It's called a Pizzazz Plus. And we're gonna use that to cook this pizza, which is like a sausage veggie supreme with Gouda cheese and mozzarella. And we did this pizza in the regular oven, so we're gonna do that for a comparison and see which one is better. And this is the finished product. Smells amazing. And yeah, we're about to dig in.